My name is Ram Charan and this is my friend Karthik, Pramod, Minusha, Shivani and Uday. So our project name is Aero Drone. It's basically a drone which is used in the disastrous times like during the landslides, earthquakes, etc. We have used this such a technology where it uses thermal sensor and a camera sensor. It goes to the locations where the disaster happened and identifies human beings in that location through the thermal sensor. As thermal sensor have a set of radiation where it is able to detect the human beings, and it sends the location to the disaster teams where the disaster teams take an action immediately so that there is no loss of life. We have used various components like the motors, propellers, the Raspberry Pi, which is most accurate, and Raspberry Pi is the main component here as it is the main thing which is used in working of the thermal sensors and camera sensors.